Hello, and thanks for stopping by. My name is Sandy, and this is the Sister Cousins Lifestyle Channel. And today I am participating in a porch refresh collaboration. I'm working today at my son and daughter-in-law's home. They recently built their home, and they are in here and they've worked on their backyard, but not the front yard yet. So they gave me the honor of putting their front porch together to give their home some curb appeal. So if you'd like to see how it turns out, then just keep on watching. This video is in collaboration with Penny over at Penny's Place, and Penny has several co-hosts on this: Buckeye Girls, Reefs and Things, The Grace Life DIY Home Decor, A Cozy Lifestyle with Clarissa Coward, Mary Precious Jones of Huntsville, and Marlene's How To's. Now, I'm going to ask that you do me a favor once you leave this video today, and that is to stop by each of their channels. All their information will be linked in the description box below, but check out what they're doing for their front porches for the summer season 2022. Now, if you live in the South or have spent any time in the South, you're familiar with this red clay. It is the worst to work with, but I have had much success with growing things in it, but it just stains everything and it just makes a complete, total mess. Now, I'm planting some hosta here just to kind of give them something that will come back each year. You know, the hosta gets thicker and bigger every year, but I think that's a nice little ground cover for them. I absolutely hate dealing with this red dirt. It just makes a mess, and they have this black mulch, so we've got to remember to cover that back up or it will not look nice at all. It took me several days to get all of this done, not because it was that much work, because we really didn't do a whole lot of flowers, but the weather is just so very hot, and between the heat, then we have rain days, so I had to get it in where I could. So you will see that I will be in a different outfit coming up pretty soon. That's just because it's another day. And here's my grandson coming out here to check out what I'm doing. He was homesick today, so yeah. Anywho, I'm back to it. I did encounter a visitor, an unwanted visitor while out here, so that was a lot of fun for the day.
Just pulled up to the house, don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment.
I went with red geraniums, one because they really pop. That red is so vibrant, but also because they take full sun and they're pretty hardy.
Like no days off, so you can go home with that. Jump on, jealousy, my bad.
Now, I'm done with the flowers for now. You will see that I'll go back in here in a little bit and add a couple more flowers. But now I'm going to go ahead and add some pillows. And my daughter-in-law found some of the most beautiful pillow covers. I was so excited when I saw them. They are going to look so amazing on the porch. She got these off of Amazon, but they're so pretty and so colorful. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? I just love this. It gives such a nice look, especially from the curve. When you talk about curve appeal, it is all about the color for me. So now I'm just standing back and looking to see what else is needed to complete the look. I think it looks really good and we could stop here, but I just feel like something is missing. It'll be pretty next year once their shrubberies grow and the hosta fills in. So it's kind of hard when you're first starting off with your landscaping. You don't want to spend a fortune, but you need a little something. We have a big problem with birds building their nests in wreaths on the door. I recently had to remove my wreath off of my front door. I had a beautiful wreath that I had made for the spring summer season. I was so proud of that thing, but I noticed birds were like always swarming around my front door, and it got so bad that every time I would open the door, there were birds there. Come to find out, they had built a full-fledged bird's nest in my wreath. So I had to remove it because I was unable to go in and out of my house. So that wasn't good. I decided to add some shepherd's hook to add some hanging baskets from them. And I decided to get some begonias. They say that they take full sun 3 to 6 hours a day. So I thought that I would give them a try. And they are a beautiful, vibrant red color. So they will match just fine with the geraniums and the daisies. Now they only wanted red flowers. They didn't want to do a mixture of red and white, red and yellow, red and purple, anything like that, which would have been really pretty. But I really do like the all red as well. I think it looks really nice and very summer and tropical and all of that. So I think it looks nice. I think it was a good choice on their part to go with the all red florals, especially with the vibrant colors in the pillows. I think it looks perfect. Now let's take a look around. Tell me, what do you think? I think it looks a lot better than it did when we started. It was just plain, but now I think it just makes everything come together so nicely. I also added a couple of lights here just so that at nighttime this can illuminate. These are solar lights and they just pop down in the ground. So I think they're going to really have a beautiful space here. So pretty. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and also subscribe if you're not currently subscribed. I would love to have you as a part of my YouTube family. To all my returning family members, thanks so much for stopping back by. And I do hope that you stop by our host and co-host channels. The descriptions will include all of their links, so you can hop right over there and get all of your gardening inspiration. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.